Ball Vatka is individual lifelong learning, social and emotional behavior and overall health develop deeply upon the experiences gained during this critical foundational stage. The policy thus recommended developing a national curriculum framework specifically for this stage, which would comprehensively guide the whole education system toward providing high quality education in children early age, thereby carrying this momentum forward to the another later stage of school education based on the principles and objectives enunciated under NAP 2020 as well as on research from a range of disciplines including new neuroscience and early childhood education on experiences and accumulated knowledge from the ground and on the experience and goals of our nation. The National Curriculum Framework for Foundational State NCFS was developed and released on 22 October 2022. Subsequently, textbook have been developed to bring to life the curricular approach of the NCFS. The textbook attempt to connect to the children's real life by recognizing their learning in the classroom and the significant learning uh, resources in the family and the community. The approach in the NCFS is also resonant with the Panchkoshiya Vikas, the development of the five shelters of human personality. As elucidated, elucidated in the Taittiriya Upanishad, the NCFS enunciated the five domain of learning: physical and motor, social, emotional, cognitive, language and literacy, the culture and aesthetic, which map to the Indian traditional of Panchkos consisting of five kos: Annamay, Pranamay, Manomay, Vijayamay, Vijnanmay and Anandamay. Beside it also focus on integrating a child experiences at home which the knowledge, skills and attitudes that would be developed within the school prescient. The NCFS, which cover class 1 and 2, also articulate a play based approach to learning. According to this approach, books form an essential part of the learning process. However, it is also important to understand the books are only one among many pedagogical tools and methods, including activity, toy, games, conversion, discussion, and more. This marks a departure from the prevailing system of merely learning from books to a more congenial playway and competency based learning system where children engagement with what they do and learn becomes critical. Thus, the book is hand must be seen as an instrument to promote a play-based pedagogical approach in its entirely for this age group of children. The present textbook attempts to provide competency-based content in a simple, interesting, and engaging manner. The endeavor has been to make it inclusive and progressive by breaking several stereotypes through the presentation of text and illustration. The child's local contents, which include traditional culture, language, usage, and rootedness in India, and is centered to student holistic development. Holistic development has been reflected in the books, and effort has been made to make it engaging and joyful for the children. The book integrated art and craft to help children appreciate the aesthetic sense inherent in such activities. The textbook provided children with situational awareness to understand light in terms of content. This textbook is rich in substance, providing varied experiences and integrating play-way methods of learning through toys, games, and a variety of other activities. It includes questions that will help children develop critical thinking and problem solving abilities. Will help children develop critical thinking and problem solving abilities. Besides, the textbook has rich subject matter and activities to help children development the necessary sensitivity towards our environments. It also provides ample scope for our state's UTs to adapt content with local perspective in the versions that they may develop as per the recommendation of NAP 2020. NCERT appreciate the hard work done by the committee set of the development the syllabus and learning teaching material for the foundational stage. I thank the chairperson of the committee, Professor Shashikala Vanjari and all other members for completing this task in time and in such an admirable way. I am also thankful to all the institution and I am also thankful to all the institutions and organizations which have generously extended their help and assistance in making this possible. I am especially thankful to Dr. K. Kasturi Ranjan, chairperson of the National Steering Committee, and 8 other members, including those of the mandate group, its chairperson Professional Manjul Bhargav, and member of the review committee for their timely and valuable suggestions. As an organization committed to reforming school education in Bharat and continuously improving the quality of learning and teaching material that it developed. NCERT looks forward to critical comments and suggestions for all its stakeholders to further improve upon this textbook. Professor Dinesh Prasad Shaklani, Director, National Council of Education Research and Training, NCERT के प्रोफेसर हैं दिनेश कुमार शक्लानी, दिनेश प्रसाद शक्लानी, ये डायरेक्टर हैं।